guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing an unboxing, and as you can see I have the large box in here. So I purchased something from, let's see, how do I open this? Let me show you what I got. Okay, this is the box. That's the logo right there. Wow, this is actually a really large box. It's gigantic. So here's my item inside. It was nicely wrapped. So as you can see, okay, let me just, so the packaging, I love this Hermes packaging, guys. They always wrap your packages nicely. That's another thing, whether you purchase the most expensive, the cheapest one. I mean, Hermes always wrap them beautifully. So, okay, it's another wrapper. Is it Christmas? Okay, so here's the package. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful with the bulldog ribbon. Wow, very nice. I am surprised with the packaging. I mean, I did not expect that they would package it like this, because this item that I am about to show you guys, this is an inexpensive item from Hermes. So this is the receipt, and then this is just some sort of like a note if you want to write something. Let me just see if it is. Yeah, this is just a note. They include that. So let me put this one aside. So here's the lovely box from Hermes. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. I love it. I always love packaging. So let me open this slowly so you can see what I purchased. Okay, so here we go. Okay, wow, they even wrapped it again with this beautiful paper. Well, I am surprised with the packaging, hands down with the Hermes packaging. It's so beautiful, it's so lovely. It's just like the experience of like opening it. It's like, wow, this is wrapped beautifully, so special. So anyway, here it is. Oh my goodness. Guys, this is an Hermes pop-up book. I've been wanting to get this for such a long time, and they always sold out. So, as you can see right there, the image. So this one is just, yeah, it's brand new. It has a wrapper in it. And I'm just going to do a flip through on this book. So I'm going to open this book. Hold on. I could just run my nails in it. So the packaging seems to be soft and flexible. Yeah. Oh my gosh, finally it's here. Wow, after such a long time, this is perfect for, I must say, for like coffee table book, or if you're a fan of collecting books from the luxury houses, this is actually perfect. And now I am so happy that finally I was able to get my hands on these. So this is the cover. Very nice. Oh, the orange color is so beautiful. This is the Hermes iconic color. So, okay, so this one it is just a little bit of like an overview of what this book is about. So text by Stéphane Foenkinos. Pop-up created by Bernard Duisit. Okay, so this is the introduction of the book. So okay, let me just tell you a little bit of what this book is about. You know, if you might probably be interested, this is actually perfect for gifting, so at least you have an idea of why they made this book. So this gorgeous Hermes pop-up book, actually this gorgeous paper construction expands on Hermes carved designs and this luxury pop-up book. Every year, the iconic luxury brand Hermes chooses a new theme to celebrate its creative direction for the upcoming year. This practice began in 1987, marking the brand's 150th anniversary, and since became a beloved tradition, a way to combine the house's proud, storied heritage with its creative vision for the future. So the Hermes theme for 2018, so let me just see this one. So this was actually printed in 2018. This is a 2018 edition, and the 2018 theme is called Let's Play. And the brand is celebrating in style with this new deluxe pop-up book featuring a selection of 14 of the house's iconic square scarf designs, both old and more recent. This book brings the designs alive with exhilarating ingenuity. Delicate paper constructions brings out the depth and volume within the scarf's designs. The zebras rear up, delicately arching trees grow from the page, and painterly strokes detach themselves from the paper surface. This is the Hermes carré, as you've actually never seen it before. Okay, so that is just what the book is about. So I'm just gonna do a flip through so that you'll be able to see what's inside. And yeah, this one is a hardcover book, really nice. Okay, so let's start with the flip through. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the flip through. I love it. It's such a beautiful, beautiful pop-up book. And my favorite among all those illustrations is this one. It's so beautiful. I just love those colors. It's so colorful. The blue is so stunning with all the animals around it, with those beautiful, beautiful butterflies, flowers around it, the garden. Everything is gorgeous. Wow, the color for this one is stunningly beautiful. Wow, so amazingly beautiful. I love it. So if you're looking for a gift, this would be a perfect inexpensive gift, guys, for the holiday. And yes, you will definitely gonna enjoy it. If you are an Hermes lovers, they would pack this one, they wrap this one beautifully with their box with a ribbon and everything. You could always ask for a note card, so you could definitely personalize it. And yes, I would highly recommend this one. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.